In this video we will test the GoPro HERO Black 7 underwater without a housing. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no!
We will hear what the audio is like as it is out of the camera. To fully test how waterproof this camera is, I took it on a 2-hour drift snorkeling trip in Raiatea, Polynesia. Let's go to the Pacific Ocean and get wet. Hi, my name is Paul. I'm a full-time travel stock photographer and videographer.
I need big one. Fish don't eat the coral, but the algae. No sand each year. We ingest coral. And after he expels. All right. Okay. Okay, madam, go. Tu le comprends, hein? Yes, sir. Okay, go. It's raining.
I bought the GoPro HERO Black specifically for this coral snorkeling trip. I wanted a small rig, hence no housing, and the GoPro performed perfectly. No leaks, no water ingress. I'm really happy.